Hi guys, it's Robin with Tools and Twists. Thank you for tuning in today. As promised, I have a tutorial on how I created my flower bush that I'm going to share with you guys today. So of course, the first step is to gather our supplies. I used a laundry basket that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I also purchased a large piece of styrofoam from the Dollar Tree, and you'll need a glue gun and some glue sticks as well. And then the next step will be to go to your local craft store and get all the beautiful pieces that you want to make this beautiful bush come to life. So of course you'll want to start by finding greenery. There's an assortment of greenery. There's tons of options. You can choose whatever you like. It's your preference. So you pick what makes you happy and what makes you feel good when you see it. The next step is to begin formulating our vision. So once we've come up with a concept, we pick the pieces that we like, we start putting them together. I like to do this step in the store because there's nothing worse than getting all the way home and then you're like, I don't like this. So I do everything in the store. I put it together, I see how it looks, and if I need to add more, take away, everything is handled in the store before I leave the door. Okay? The inspiration I chose for my bush it's actually called a butterfly bush. So that is what I referenced in order to create the bush that you see in my flower bed. So now that we've selected our pieces, we've made it home, it's time to show you how I actually created the bush. So in order to create the bush, I took the Dollar Tree basket that we purchased. I took the styrofoam, I put some glue on it, and I attached it to the interior part of the basket. So once that was done, I flipped the basket over, and then because I've already created my bush, I just used some stems that I already had readily available at home just to use for reference. So I took those and I stuck them in the styrofoam. After I stuck those in the styrofoam, the next step would be to add additional glue to give it just a little more stability. That is optional. It's not actually necessary, but it is optional if you want added security. So once that's done, then you can place the stems any way that you like, play with it, be as creative as you like. This is your bush. Like I said before, there is no right or wrong way to do this. So again, play with it until you get your desired look. Here are the final results. A beautiful flower bush that looks almost identical to a butterfly bush. I think it turned out great. So I know that you guys are going to create amazing things. I wanted to make sure that I did show you guys that I used a cinder block, and then I placed the basket on top of the cinder block, and I just positioned it how I needed it to stay in place. What the cinder block did was elevate the basket for me, since initially I had planned to use another basket and glue the baskets together. However, it stood too tall, so the cinder block was the perfect height. So please be sure to show me your projects. Use the hashtag Tools and Twists. I am so excited and I can't wait to see what you guys are going to do. So again, use the hashtag Tools and Twists. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on my blog, toolsandtwists.com. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tools and Twists, and you can follow me on Instagram at tools_and_twist. You can also follow me on Facebook at Tools and Twists. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And again, don't forget to show me your projects and hashtag Tools and Twists. Thank you.